How to continue playback in Power Director. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can find this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section of Preferences. Simply tap on Preferences. Now, we in this settings interface. Here, you can find different options and even customize it. Now slowly scroll down. Here you can find a section called Continue Playback After Seeking. So you must turn it on. Now this feature has been turned on. So you can simply go back and you're all set to go. So this will automatically resume the playback. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.